let's create this dashboard for the user and make a dynamic all those things, right? So first of all, let's create one folder, users, under this e-commerce, and one more thing, we have to layout and user layout.tsx. okay, and one here, or we have here, okay, here one sidebar, user sidebar.tsx. okay, so let's create the first of all this layout, user layout. What we have to template, first of all let's import the e-commerce layout and user sidebar. Yes, this is a layout and user sidebar. Okay, user sidebar. So let's create this menus is a dynamic for sidebar, and this is a link and react and component cars, this one, and one sidebar, user sidebar component, and then menus, dashboard, orders, download, address, payment, and wish list, and account detail. And then copy from the template. Where is our template? And then looping these components under these items. Okay, if you see how template, let me import this template here. Okay, add folder to workspace, node template, users, right? So everything header is the same, we don't need main section coming from this one, and this is main header, and this is a category navigation where it comes for the account, and this is main area, and this is footer, and this is scripts, right? Also we need the main area for the layout. Okay, user layout. First of all, e-commerce layout, we have header, footers, everything, and then breadcrumbs for the MySQLs we have to get from this template. Okay, now where is this template? Not check out users, right? This one, from this one. Okay, from the main area. Breadcrumbs, yes, this one, right? So we have copied this one in the side main layout sidebar, and then main area to container my account, from this one main area to my account, and then go to the navigation bar. This is the information of the user layout. So we have to making the user sidebar first of all, right? So let's import first of all user sidebar from the user sidebar, and then this is the children coming to the LGW3S. So main component coming to the LGW3S. This is a sidebar, this is the main area, is this one. Okay, this one, this one, this one. So this is the main area section. So both sidebar and this one sidebar getting from this sidebar. So items, I am making this one items here, auth user, auth information getting from there. So if you go to the sidebar LG4, right? So go to the sidebar, from the sticky, this is a header, little bit changes, and this is a border something. Okay, if you copy this one, yes, this is the sidebar. And then let's make a one dashboard for the user, e-commerce dashboard.tsx. Right, so RAFC, first of all layout from the user layout, and this is a dashboard. And let's copy from this where is the main layout, this is sidebar, and this is our component, right? So let's copy this one and go to the sidebar section. So something is wrong here, is the class name. Let's replace all, okay, and replace by class name. Okay, let's all replace. Oh, this one. Okay, so something, this account to this recent orders, anchor tag issues, right? So this tag formatted problem, let's solve. And this comment also, the React component comment. So okay, this one, and recent orders section, this type of Spanish issue, let's remove. We'll move on the link later. Okay, so this one, okay, this is account details, this one, this one, this one. Okay, let's comment this recently viewed product. Okay, because we don't need now. Remove time, remove from dashboard. Okay, yes, that's it. Okay, so let's make to the routes, go to users, and user dashboard have index folder. Okay, let's go to the users, let's create an index folder. Yes, user e-commerce dashboard inertia, let's import. Right, okay, that's it. Let's see user, oh, not dashboard, user dashboard. Okay, not linked, spelling mistake. Yes, this is our routes, right? So user coming in the route, I think you are seeing the layout, user layout. Go to the sidebar, you are getting the user from the auth, and this user information, name, email, and everything showing, and item list, item reference, and click to this URL, right? So user dashboard, order, everything to the click on, not found, like this. Okay, this is our dashboard. Okay, user dashboard. So we need to create dashboards, dynamic orders, download, address, payment, wish list, and accounts. All those things we have to create dynamically. So okay, let's create first of all the orders list. and then addresses and download. Okay, it will be take time for, that's why I have created and explaining you those things. Okay, let's first we have to create a dashboard and layouts, right? Layout, we have to use a layout, copying this one, and sidebar separated. Sidebar also we are creating from this eCommerce sidebar, right? With the user sidebars, right? So that is sidebar. I am removing some, there is a downloaded option, this address I think now not implemented address, we will implement, then edit wish list also not edit. Now we have to remove this one, and user sidebar we are I am making one active conditions. Okay, what status as checking, so that's why I am making the constants is active, url is item sref is equals to user dashboard, then we have to check to the class is active, then we have to active this class, and according to the url. Okay, this is item url, and dashboard I have to send component data from the backend to controller. Okay, what I have sent, the first index we have to recent orders, order we have to get from the my auth user order, and this is the order with products and latest for products. Okay, limited only 5 getting for dashboard, and then mapping the order status and payment status and prices. Okay, yes, this is a recent orders, and we have counted order status total order we have to count it, completed order we have to status checking and then sending the complete, and pending order status also counting the pending order status, and then wish list count it, we have to cart user id and save for later. This is wish list count. I will make this one wish list to the another tables later. Now I have used this one only. Okay, and then user address means name, email, phone number and address. This is the current user address I have sent, and then pass to the dashboard. User is name and email, phone number, password, and dashboard is the recent orders address, wish list count and user address we have to pass to the dashboard. Okay, let's make to the dynamic dashboard. We are creating a dashboard, we have to get the status badge one constant which is taking a string, and here is the switch case to get to badges, these constant functions. Okay, if status is complete, this colors, and if shipped and pending and cancelled, if default is, we have to show this one helper function, we have one function we have to creating for the colors of the status. Okay, and then that's dashboard data getting from the inertia params, we have to send these users and dashboard data, right? We have to getting this dashboard data. So what is dashboard? Yes, dashboard data, right? Or is user dashboard? Yes, this one. So user dashboards we are getting from the dashboard is any. Okay, this user and your dashboard data, and then user layout we have to wrap user layout also under the e-commerce layouts, right? So both layout we have to passes. So there is a username from the dashboard username, and pass username not have, then we have to show this one or log out. Okay, and then there is a from your account dashboard recent order manage orders, this is a link to the dashboard, and this is a dashboard card to the order count for this one, right? So here is this one log out, and then from this dashboard, this is shipping billing address, your password we are linking to the here. Okay, and then go to the order wish list and order card. So that is I am making, this is a link to your account, to the orders going to address, going to the profile edit, going to the user profile edit. Okay, and then this is a dashboard card, I am making order count, and then going to the view your downloads and go to the orders, this one first card. Where is card items? Here it is. Okay, this is card items, first items, this is second items wish list. Okay, if you see there is a grid and content layouts, there is a something design and layout design little bit, this one border layout, and this is the first card, second card for the wish list. Okay, and third card for the address. So after this card is finished, recent orders, right? So I am making this recent orders, and there is a one tables, right, for totals, orders and actions. So we have to looping this data as a recent orders dot length is greater than 0 equals to 0. We have to know orders, so we have to collision with 5, right? That means first, second, third, fourth, fifth column we have to collapse in one, and no recent orders found. If have, the dashboard we have to mapping, then order number, order created, statuses, and this one. Okay, and then this is a view buttons for down section, and then account details. All right, this is the account user name, address, everything we have to as a account details. Okay, so we have to making like this for design, and then go to the orders tables, right? What we have to do here, orders table, let's create first of all routes for orders. Okay, go to the auth users, and then get orders and order details. Okay, for both orders we have to get orders methods and order details. So orders, and this is a both route I have added, and another route for account details. Okay, let's go to the controller. I will explain this one how it will work. Orders we have to getting, first of all getting the auth users, and then getting this user all orders descending order, that means latest order first, and mapping we have to sending the only this information and pass to the order index. Okay, that order index, not now I am not using a pagination, later I will use this pagination also. Okay, that's the order details and orders. So we have to passing the order id and getting all the users find and fill. If order found, we have to show the orders, right? Orders means there is a order number, everything, shipping address, billing address, estimated date, and billing address, shipping address, and order items. Order items have a details with images, first images, right? So this is the everything getting from the table. So we have to already created orders, and this is the account detail we have to getting our user, and all user information we have to pass from here, right? So this is not in backend admin panel in the database. I am adding only later we need, so that's why. Okay, and this is a update profile. What we have to update it, current getting users, and then validating the username is required, email is unique for the user, phone number and address, username also unique, and avatars, right? Avatar means images. And then if required image file we have to store in the images, and then another is file avatars, and this is a public folders, right? And then avatar is updated and all validated information then updated. And password update, we have to get in current password and password confirmation, and then current password we have to update it, right, with hashing. And another is user preferences. I am removing this one, no need now. Okay, later. Okay, that's the controller functions. Okay, user controller. And go to the user order detail list. We are creating one component, index component, right? Order index, and there is use page. We have to inertia getting the orders from the use props as any type. We have to define here the type interface. Not now, I am direct sending any. Okay, so user layout, and then header created for table, and that is the table, and looping the calculating the length. Have if orders have, we have to show down. If not have, we have to not order found, then order number and status showing, and then clicking order details going, right? Order details I have created the another component for credit card, Lucy chart, this all information from the React, and use links and layouts, right? So we are getting order first of all, then making a one status function. So in this status function we will using the switching. Pending means we have to showing these icons. If completed means showing these icons. If cancel means showing these icons. Okay, this is SVG, this is this one. Then get badges for the status. Okay, this is pending, complete, cancel, badge. And payment status badge for we have to creating another methods. And we are going to the showing the headers for order information, showing the order number, order created, and then showing we have to status for this one, and getting the status we have to making functions right before. So then uppercase we have to show the order status, and getting the badge also, this is the icon, right? So same on the credit card, and get payment status badges. And then order payment status we have to using this one slice, and order summary, making the order for this order summary, shipping tracking, order items, then order totals. Okay, this is separate sections I am defining. So order summary we have to showing here, like billing information, billing full name, and what is the address, and the shipping address. If same as the billing name, we are showing the same as billing, otherwise we are showing the shipping address. And the shipping tracking means we are creating a shipping tracking, that is showing shipping methods, shipping tracking number, estimated delivery date, shipping aid, and delivery date we will define in the admin panel later. Okay, this is the shipping information. And order items detail, we have to showing the order items, and then product SKU and quantity and unit price. So we are checking the order items length, and then mapping these order items. We are getting the product name, image, and we are image getting, then showing image, otherwise we are only showing the name of this product, right? Also product not have, we are showing the item product name. Okay, we are relational product have, then relational product, otherwise we are storing the caching data product, we are getting this one. And product item SKU, quantity, unit price, and total price, we are getting this here. So same on the account section, we are creating the this all those things imported, right? In badge, input, label, text area, card icons from the UC React, you are getting from the component. Okay, this one. So use data. So what we have to use, this is user data, we are making a one interface, otherwise we have to making any options. And here is user data, success, and error message. So auth we are getting from the props, and active tab, yeah, one use state where profile is active, and so password is false, and so new password is also false. And avatar preview is we are showing the user avatar, otherwise if you not have, no label. And profile form we are defined first of all for a use form. This is a name, email, password, address, username, and after we are up to update it, right, in the profile. And password form is a password, is a current password and password. And these preferences we have to remove now, right? So no need this one. And then submitted profile to the user, update profile we are submitting, we are using profile form, this one, otherwise we direct we are sending the routers dot post form like this. Okay, we are only submitting this profile multiple, that's why I am sending only these forms. And handle password will password forms, and avatar is changing these methods, react change event, and then getting the files, and preview to the avatar setting, and reader file to set preview from the target result, right? This is the file readers, we are getting the images from the event, right? So remove avatar also, here avatar is null, and set preview also null. So item is privacy, profiles, information, and security. And then layout we are using, if there is a success message we have to alert success message, if any failure message we have to showing the alert failure message. And there is a navigation we are creating, there is a one button to looping this tab icon. So now profile information and the passwords, so this is the tab information we are creating. Under this tab, if tab is profile is active, we are showing the profile card. So card is personal information, and here some short description, and we are creating for card content one form for the profile submit. This type of is a normal, right? You are working in the professional ways now, I think. So you have to creating a profile users, and then avatar preview have, then we are showing the image, otherwise not have, we are showing the one user icons, right? And then label for the cameras we have to show on the this design. So we are showing the camera button, after clicking the handle change the images. So another button is avatar upload button and preview buttons, and remove from the preview. Okay, and another one we have to using a separators from the component UI separators. Okay, if you go to the UI separators, UI open tabs. Okay, and there is a tabs component. You are using this tabs component from the Redux UI. Okay, this is the, you have to copy this tab props and trigger event, and then display name of the tab and content of the tab. This is the tab component. Okay, and then if you go to the separators, you will see this one is the separators. Okay, and then go to the account. We have to using a separator. Then personal information, name, whole name, we have to set data from the personal data dot name, set name, right? Enter full name, profile errors dot name is border is red class. We are class also defined. If errors, we have to down swing. Same on the username, emails. Okay, and then phone numbers. Okay, and address, and then the submit buttons. Okay, and if there is a security tabs, we are creating security tabs, and go to the create security tab is a password changer. One is a form. This form have a current password, and then you have to button show password. There is a I off and on swing, and if any errors, we have to show here. And second is a new password for the same design. Okay, and go to the confirm password is a another design, and there is a save buttons. Okay, then other account security, we have to showing the down information. So like, okay, email verification, security information, like security tabs. Okay, if you go to here, you will see the security tab. There is a email verification, account created, last updated. This is the account information. Okay, and something, if you any confusion, you have to query in the comment section. I will personally sure I will comment reply to you. And okay, this one now later small functions and source list, everything we are making one by ones. Okay, little bit I don't have times, I am a little bit busy, that's why I am not creating sometime videos. Okay, I am continuing. This will be, I will make the complete project. Okay, thank you.